How to enable picture-in-picture mode in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on the picture-in-picture mode in your Android phone so you can watch videos or use apps in a small floating window while multitasking. So let's just get right into it. First thing you need to do is open settings. You can go over to phone settings and then you need to find special access for your apps. So I'll just go over to the app section down below, and then from there I can just tap on it. Tap on the three dots at the top right, and then you can find the special access option. Tap on it, then you can find picture in picture over here. Tap on picture in picture and find the app that uses picture in picture. So you'll see a list of apps that support PiP, including YouTube, Maps, Chrome, Netflix, and all of these stuff. So what you can do is simply go ahead and make sure you allow picture in picture on the app that you want. Then all you have to do here is uh, go to the app specific settings to enable picture in picture. So you can easily access the app specific picture in picture mode. So let's say if I go over to maps over here and then go to the I button, I'm able to scroll down here and find picture in picture mode. I can just tap on this toggle to allow it. Now you can just test it out. So I'll just go to maps and start a navigation route just for the sake of the video. So as you can see here, I've started this picture in picture mode. Now if I just go to the home screen, I'm able to find this little window as picture in picture on my screen that I can move around. Then you can drag the mini window to flick it around or close it at the bottom of the screen like this. You can disable it and go back to the same settings if you don't want it for some specific apps. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.